make x the subject when in y is equal to 2x minus 3 over 3 minus x, and find the value of x when y is equal to minus 4. Right, so when making x the subject, we've got to rewrite this formula so that it's x is equal to. We've got a slight problem. We've got a fraction here and x occurs twice in the formula. So this is the procedure. First of all, we don't like the fraction, so multiply both sides by 3 minus x. So it's going to give you y times 3 minus x is equal to 2x minus 3. Expand the bracket, so it's going to give you the bracket, so it's going to give you 3y minus xy is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, because x occurs in two places, we need to collect the x's on one side. So what I'm going to do, because I don't want to have loads of negative signs here, is collect this one onto this side by adding xy to both sides. So if I add xy to this side, I'm just going to be left with 3y. And on this side, I'm going to have 2x plus xy minus 3. And then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So we're going to have 3y minus 3 is equal to 2x plus xy. In order to get just one x, what I need to do is factorize the right-hand side. So there's a common factor of x here. So that comes out, and I'm left with 2 plus y. X times that. In order, the opposite of multiplying is to divide. So dividing both sides by 2 plus y. So it's going to give me 3y minus 3 over 2 plus y is equal to x. So I've actually done it then. I've made x a subject. Just tidying up a little bit. I'm just going to tidy up the top, take out a common factor of 3, brackets y minus 1, and then just write the bottom as y plus 2 instead of 2 plus y. However, this would be considered to be correct. Now, when y is minus 4, we've got to find x. So x will be 3 brackets minus 4 plus minus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 minus 1, it gives me minus 5. So it's 3 times minus 5. So it's 3 times minus 5 over minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 15 over minus 2 gives me just 15 over 2 as the final answer, or 7.5. So this has been a video to show you how to make a variable the subject when it occurs twice in the same formula. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.